Kontento ka na ba bilang isang empleyado? Sa araw-araw na traffic pauwi at papunta sa trabaho? Nagtsatsaga ka pa rin ba sa masungit at demanding mong boss? At sa sahod na dumadaan lamang sa iyong kamay tuwing kinsenas katapusan? How many people you know who have worked so hard and still ended up broke? Ang hirap talaga kumita ng pera. It's a proven fact that trading time for money is not the secret to wealth. At dahil dyan, palagi kang stress at di makapag-isip ng magandang diskarte sa buhay. Frustrated dahil hindi mo rin alam kung anong uunahin sa dami ng mga problema. Kung ang pagkita ng extra pera ang nakita mong unang solusyon, bakit nga ba hindi mo subukan maghanap ng other source of income? Kung sawa ka na sa ganitong buhay at gusto mo ng pagbabago, well, meron akong good news para sa iyo. Dahil ang sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, isang kilalang financial expert, ang network marketing o ang pagsali sa isang MLM program ay makapagdudulot ng malaking pagbabago sa iyong buhay. Sa panahon ngayon, ang dami na nagsulputang iba't ibang MLM companies. Meron dyan nag-aalok ng food supplements, promoting health and nutrition. Yung iba naman, ginawa na rin MLM ang pagbibenta ng mga consumable products kagaya ng prepaid cards. Sa iba naman, coffee ang trip. Kasi nga daw ang kape ang second most consumed beverage next to water. Mga cosmetics na pampakinis at pampaganda ng kutis, e-books na pampatalino at pamparami ng kaalaman, mga weight loss program na pampapayat at maraming pa pong iba. Mahihirapan ka talagang pumili. Kasi ang sabi ng bawat isa sa kanila, ang company nila ang pinaka-the best. Ang sabi naman ng iba sa kanila, ang company nila ang may pinaka-unique na product na madaling ibenta. Yung iba naman, sasabihin sa iyo na the best ang compensation nila dahil galante daw sila magbigay ng komisyon. Dahil ang totoo po niyan, lahat naman halos ng MLM sa panahon ngayon na magaganda. At ang sad part lang niyan ay kapag super excited ka na mag-join, malalaman mo na lang na hindi mo pala afford mag-paying dahil wala kang sapat na pera. Sapagkat nagiging buo lang excitement kapag may napajoin ka. At malamang, maiisip mo na baka naman may mas mura pang paraan para makapagsimula. At kung sinwerte ka naman na makagawa ng paraan para makasali, ang sunod mo namang isipin ay kung paano mo ito gagawin ng tama para magkaroon ng resulta. Because it's a proven fact that 97% of network marketers fail because they fail to duplicate due to lack of skill. Dahil kahit may experience ka na sa ganitong negosyo, kakailanganin pa rin ng mga fresh ideas at motivation. At magagawa mo ito sa pamamagitan ng coaching program from a reliable mentor. Pwede naman, pero magkano kaya ang enrollment para makapagsimula sa isang coaching program? Kaya ang tanong mo ngayon, meron bang affordable coaching program na pwede kong pasukan at the same time, pwede ko rin pagkakitaan? Introducing Free Toolbox or FTV for short. Ang FTV ay isang feeder program na tutulong para makapagsimula ka ng business sa pinakamurang puhunan na $1.25. The 101 MLM video trainings plus more will guide you and give you insights on how you can build your MLM business in a step-by-step easy program gamit lamang ang internet. Para makapag-start ka sa FTV, kailangan meron ka at marunong ka ng mga ito. Una, kailangan meron kang internet connection. Then, kailangan meron kang internet device kagaya ng desktop, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and etc. Familiar ka rin dapat sa Facebook at iba pang social media sites. At higit sa lahat, dapat may mataas kang pangarap sa buhay dahil ito ang pinaka-importante po sa lahat. For as little as $1.25, pwede ka na sumali and you get a chance to access the 101 video education to build your business. Kapag FTV member ka na, as you join each business center, you will have access to different module level trainings. So paano ba talaga mag-join sa FTV? Step number 1. Go to site www.freetoolbox.com by opening your browser and typing www.freetoolbox.com. Click on Create Account. Enter Sponsor ID. Ito po yung unique username ng tao nagpakilala sa atin sa FTV. Step number 2. Create your FTV account. Mag-isip ka ng unique username, tapos fill-upan mo yung other details like email, password, enter your password, first name, username, mobile number, mobile carrier, city, state, country, agree to the terms and condition, then click Create Account. Step number 3, activate your business center. Kapag nakapag-create ka na ng account, you will be asked to activate which business center you would like to join. If you want to join the 1.25 business center, then simply uncheck the rest of the other business center. But if you wish to join all other business center, then simply click Pay Now. If you do not wish any Or if you do not wish to join any business center, then you can continue with a free account. A free account in FTB is called a chartered member. For a chartered member, you will not earn any commission if you refer any person in any of the business center. Meron din option to add lead capture page system and other lead generation tools. Of course, this comes at an additional cost. Ito ay isang option mo lang lamang. Kung hindi ka pa masyado familiar sa mga ito, simpleng contact me or add me in Facebook. You can pay your FTB membership by any of the following. You can pay by a credit card, debit card, prepaid internet card, basta may Visa at MasterCard logo. Kung meron ka pang natitirang funds sa Solid Trust Pay mo, pwede mo rin ito ipambayad, no problem. You can also pay via Western Union or MoneyGram. You can also pay via direct deposit or e-check to FTB via Multiplex System of New York. Wow, I'm so excited to share with you the few easy, powerful steps on how to make money in FTB. Pero bago mo yan malaman, kailangan mo maintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng 2x2 matrix structure because all businesses start small. So ano ba yung tinatawag natin na 2x2 matrix structure? Ang ibig sabihin nito ay meron kang 6 vacant position in your business center. So each position is called a success line. So nilalagay ng system ang bawat success line in this sequence. So you have 1, 2, from left to right, you have 3, 4, 5, and 6, my friend. So in you and your team's ultimate goal is to complete the 6 positions. Once you and your team do that, ikaw ay magsacycle at ikaw ay makakakuha ng komisyon. So all business centers work the same way. The 3, 4, 5, and 6 position calculates your commission at ito ang tinatawag natin na pay line. So re-entry and upgrades and are automatically taken from your cycle profits and not from your pockets. FTB system is designed to pay you 100% commission, my friend. Sa FTB, you can start with the 1.25 level, which pays you $5 for each matrix completed. The 2.5 business center, also known as the silver level, pays you $10. The $5 business center, also known as the gold level, pays you $20. The $10 business center, also known as the platinum level, pays you $40, while the $20 business center, also known as the diamond level, pays you $80. Now, upgrade and re-entry is automatically done by the system. Pwede ka mag-start sa 1.25 business center as a bronze level member, or pwede rin kayo mag-start in all the levels kung gusto mo. So, the faster you upgrade, the higher you get paid. With each upgrade and re-entry in each business center, you gain access to different levels of MLM training modules. So to make money in FTB, you and your team has to fill up all the 6 positions in your matrix by referring people into the program. Ngayon, meron 4 na paraan para mapunuan mo ang 6 position ng iyong matrix. At ito ang mga sumusunod. Una, personal effort. Second, team effort. Third, spillover. Fourth, spill under. Take note, your personal effort and team effort is because of your own initiative, while spillover and spill under is by your team contribution. Duplicate yourself by achieving personal targets. Foster teamwork among your success line and your work becomes effortless. You now have the power of leverage working for you. Sa personal effort, let's say, meron ka na agad 6 friends na nakapanood at nakaunawa ng video nito at ready na sila mag-join. Depende kung sino sa kanila ang mauna, sila ay may lalagay ng system sa ganitong sequence. That's from left to right, from success line 1 and 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. Kapag nakumpleto mo na ang 6 position, ikaw ay magsacycle at makakatanggap ng komisyon. Also, kapag nag-cycle ka na, ikaw ay magre-re-entry ulit sa system at doon makakaroon uli ng panibagong matrix. Punuan is the name of the game, and the more people you refer, the faster you fill, and therefore the more commissions earned. Sa team effort naman, let's say meron ka lang munang dalawang na-refer na dalawang kaibigan. Okay? At sila ay nakapag-refer din ng tigda-dalawa nilang mga friends. At dahil dito, makukumpleto mo na ang 6 position ng iyong matrix at ikaw ay magsacycle at makakakuha ka na ng iyong commission. Okay, sa spillover, let's say meron pang higit sa 2 friends ang sponsor mo bukod pa sa'yo. Kapag napuno na ang 2-pronged success line ng matrix niya, ang sosobra or excess ay may lalagay ng system under them. Kung ikaw ang nasa first position ng matrix ng sponsor mo, ang 3 and 4th success line niya ay may lalagay under you. Okay, that is 3 and number 4. Okay? At kapag ang 3 and 4 success line ng sponsor mo ay nagsimula na rin mag-refer na kani-kanilang friends, mapupuno mo na ang second level mo, which in turn will complete the 6th position in your matrix. At dahil dito, ikaw ay magsacycle at makakakuha na rin ng commission. Notice that in this way, hindi mo personal effort ang nag-cause para mapuno mo ang matrix mo. Kaya posible na kahit hindi ka pa humahataw, ay kumita ka na. Okay? Pero syempre, mas okay kung kikilos ka rin dahil wala naman napapala ang taong tamad. Sa spill under, let's say isa pa lang sa mga friend mo ang nagka-interest mag-join sa FTV business mo. At ginawa niya na makumpleto agad ang 6 positions sa matrix niya. Dahil super interesado siya ay magsacycle at magkakaroon ng panibagong matrix. Okay? Now, sa kanyang re-entry, siya ay dudugtong sa first available position under your matrix. Ang tawag po dito ay follow your sponsors. At dahil determinado rin ang friend mo na mapuno agad ang 2-pronged success line niya, as a result, makukumpleto mo naman ang position 5 and 6 sa matrix mo. And therefore, ikaw ay magsacycle na rin at makakatanggap ng komisyon. Again, ulitin ko lang po sa iyo, ang ultimate goal ng bawat member ng FTV ay punuin ang 6 positions sa kani-kanilang matrix. Mas mabilis po natin mapuno, mas mabilis din po tayo makaka-earn ng commission. Sa 1.25 Business Center, as soon as makompleto mo ang 6 position in your matrix, you earn gross commission of $5. You will enter back to the system for $1.25 and your net commission per cycle is now 3.75. Sa 2.5 Business Center, as soon as makompleto mo ang 6 position in your matrix, you earn gross commission of $10. You will enter back to the system for 2.5. Your net commission now per cycle becomes 7.5. Sa $5 Business Center, as soon as makompleto mo ang 6 position in your matrix, you earn gross commission of $20. You will enter back into the system for $5 and your net commission per cycle is now $15. Sa $10 Business Center, as soon as makompleto mo ang 6 position in your matrix, you earn gross commission of $40. You will enter back to the system for another $10. Your net commission per cycle is now $30. Sa $20 Business Center, as soon as makompleto mo ang 6 position in your matrix, you earn a gross commission of $80. You enter back into the system for another $20. Your net commission per cycle is now $60. Hello! I'm so excited para ibahagi ko po sa inyo itong FTV Business Potential. Alam niyo po ba na lahat ng business nagsisimula sa maliit? Ang simpleng $1.25 mo, malayo po mararating nun, kaibigan. Makikita mo sa table ang mga figures kung saan malalaman mo kung magkano ang pwede mo kitain sa bawat business centers. Ang intention po natin dito is hindi para mang-hype, kundi para po ipakita sa kanila na pwede tayong kumita ng malaking pera sa maliit na kapital. Okay? Nung nag-start po tayo last March 1, 2014 sa US, meron na po doon nag-average ng 13 cycles per day. So imagine kung magkano po ang pwede natin kitain sa FTV. If you do 3 cycles per day on all business center, you will earn $348 per day. If you do 5 cycles per day on all business center, you will earn $581 per day. E paano kaya kung 10 cycles per day po? Yan po ay $1,162 per day. Or what if mas hinataw nyo pa po ng gusto? Or sabihin po natin 20 cycles per day, so pwede pong kumita kayo ng $2,325 if you cycle on all the business levels. Alright? So sa dirhams po, that is 8,544 dirhams per day, or roughly sa peso po ay 2.8 million per month. So okay na po ba yun? So just do the math po, kabayan. The idea is to get as much people to get involved in this program po. Hatawin lang po natin ang gusto at tumulong lang po tayo sa mas maraming tao. Ang dami po naghihirap sa atin sa Pilipinas, so malamang sa mga naghahanap po ng negosyo at wala rin experience at the same time, ito mas maganda pong pasukan. So habang nagpe-prepare po kayo sa main program, dito po tinitrain po tayo, at the same time may negosyo na rin po kasama. So dito po sa FTV, hangad namin na makatulong sa mas marami nating kababayan na makapag-start ng negosyo sa pinakamurang halaga na $1.25. Why you need to join FTV? Ang FTV po ang may lowest entry sa lahat po ng mga online marketing program. Ang entry level po sa FTB is $1.25. One-time payment po ito. Ang FTB po, meron po siyang 5-level business center. Right? So, what you do, you upgrade from your profits. So, you start with the lowest, which is 1.25, then gradually mag-upgrade po kayo into one business level higher. We have fully automated system. We have 100% payout commission. We have no monthly fees or maintenance. Sa ibang programs po, kailangan pa magbayad ng mga 25 to make your account as active. We are a part of a rock-solid US-based company with a Better Business Bureau credibility rating of A++. Okay, so FTB is a program ng multiplex system which is 15 years na po in the market. And Pre-Toolbox or FTB is the perfect feeder program that provides expert MLM training and valuable information resources for your main program. So, FTB po, ulitin ko po, is non-competing. Hindi po ito nakikipagkompetensya sa main program or MLM niyo po. So, may iba't ibang paraan po para makapag-load po tayo ng funds sa ating e-wallet. At ito po yung unang-una yung credit card. You can pay using the credit card. You can also pay using your debit card. Basta po may Visa at MasterCard logo. You can also load funds to your e-wallet using Western Union or MoneyGram. Pwede rin po using Solid Trust Pay. Sa Solid Trust Pay, meron po dong section for debit and credit card. So, pwede rin pong internet card or dito sa UAE, we have this MAF or MA Prepaid Visa Card, which is also reloadable. Then, pwede rin po tayo mag-direct deposit sa FTB Multiplex System account sa US. Yun po. So, sa mga nagtatanong po kung safe po ba or secure, well, safe po tayo. Now, paano po ba tayo mag-withdraw po ng komisyon? Unang-una, kung meron po kayong bank account, pwede nyo pong i-withdraw ito using bank or wire transfer. Ang kailangan nyo pong i-provide is, of course, yung pangalan nyo po. Okay? So, yung pong account number ninyo, yung IBAN number ninyo, tsaka po yung SWIFT code ng bank po natin. Okay? Meron po tayong small fees po dyan. Right? So, lahat po ng mga wire transfer, meron pong ganyan sinisingit. So, just make sure po, medyo malaki rin po yung withdrawin natin para hindi po masayang yung ibabayad natin sa wire transfer. Pangalawa, kung meron po kayong Solid Trust Pay, pwede rin po natin makuha ang pera natin dyan. Pangatlo, kung sa US po kayo, you can withdraw your money through Chase Bank Quick Pay. Pang-apat, since tayo po mga international members from Dubai, UAE, and Philippines, later on po magkakaroon po tayo ng Global Cash Card. Then, pang-lima, through special request, pwede rin po nating i-withdraw to through Western Union. Ngayon po yung charges, iba't ibang country, iba-iba po yan. Okay? May mga country mataas ang charge, may mga country medyo hindi masyado mataas ang charge. So, yung rates po, it varies from country to country. Pwede rin po tayong mag-request na isyuhan tayo ng international check ng FTB under our name. Kung hindi ka man sinwerte sa former MLM mo, do not lose hope. Hindi naman kasi ganun lang kasimple ang maging successful sa business na ito. Marami kang dapat pag-aralan, maranasan at matutunan. Ang FTB ay non-competing sa kahit anong MLM program na meron po tayo ngayon. Ibig sabihin, pwede po natin itong isabay. Kasi nga po, we are simply an MLM training platform. Sa FTB, hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-hard sell. Opo, wala na pong pilitan kasi sa sobrang baba ng halaga to join, everybody can afford. Mas mahal pa po ang burger sa McDo kaysa mag-join sa FTB. Sa FTB, hindi mo na rin po kailangan mag-convince at lalong hindi mo na rin kailangan magpaka-trying hard na guru. Kahit ang totoong gusto mo lang naman ay makakuha ng followers sa blog or attendee sa webinar. Dahil ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay maging ikaw, maging simple, direkta at ipapanood ang video ito na posibleng makatulong gisingin at bigyan ng pag-asa ang buhay ng bawat tao at pagkatapos maging handa sa pagsagot ng posibleng tanong ng mga prospect dahil ang hangad mo lang ay makatulong sa pinakasimpleng paraan. Kapatid, sali ka na sa FTB para sama-sama nating abutin ang ating mga pangarap. Magsimula sa maliit na puhunan, gradually advance sa matataas na business center, develop your confidence, and soon you will realize that you have achieved substantial successes. Finish big and grow strong. Work out the simple, proven system of doing basic things. Sa FTB, meron kang kalayaang mamili, my friend. Be financially free. Spend more time with your family. Have fun and enjoy life. Ang sarap mabuhay ng malaya, mag-travel, kumain ng masasarap na pagkain na hindi man lang iniisip ang bill, and many more. Kabayan, the power's in your hands. Ikaw lang ang pwedeng magbago ng kapalaran mo. Not all the time, opportunity as good as FTB will pass you. Join now for as little as $1.25 or 4.75 dirhams at simulan natin ulit i-workout ang ating mga pangarap. Thank you for watching this presentation. Once again, this is Ramon Catanhal, wishing you happiness and financial success in life. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat na Pilipino.